Hello guys, welcome to AR Tutorials. Today is day 39 of solving Leetcode questions daily. Friends, in yesterday's or day before yesterday's class, I have covered all the basic topics related to the linked list. We have discussed how the linked list is created, how the structure is formed, what all the contents are there inside the linked list. That means there is a next and there is a data type, and that data basically consists of the data of that current node, whereas the next will consist of the local address of the next node. And we have also seen that how they are linked, how they are managed to work, or whatever, how the memory is allocated. I have discussed a lot of stuff over there. So if you are new to the channel, or if you don't know that what we have taken in yesterday's or day before yesterday's class, I please request you, please go and watch that video, or I'll be giving that video link in the I button section. If you are interested in that, please do watch that video. And here what we are going to do, we are going to directly jump upon a question, that is linked list insertion. Now friends, there are three types of insertion basically: at the head, that is at the beginning, at the tail, and at position. So friends, what happens at the head? What you have to do, you have given a linked list. Now suppose you have given a linked list like this. Then what you have to do, you have to insert a head there. You have to insert a head and you have to point it here, and previously this was head. Now you have to cancel it and you have to move your head to this part. So this part, it basically involves this type of question. For tail, what you have to given, you have given this type of structure. Okay, 2 nodes are enough. Okay, so this is the type of the structure. So what you will do, you will take your part and you will connect it to it, and this will automatically be the tail part. I'll just highlight this one also because it's looking nice and black. Okay, okay, so if now it was the tail, now you will just make it tail. Head would be the similar one, but what is of the position? Now first, like this, you have the position, like 3 nodes in the linked list is present, and you have to insert in between the first position. Please remember that the position is always calculated with using the first index, not with the 0th index. Now using the first index, if we are considering to insert it at the second index, then what would be there? Now this would be the first index and this would be the second one, so we have to insert it there. So what we will do, we will just take a node, we will create one. I have told you how to create a node. We'll just play with the pointers. Now we'll just shift this pointer to this one and this pointer to this one. Now what will look, now this will become a 4 node array, not array, a linked list, and this is what we want. So this is it. So now I'll just discuss the code throughout, and I'll just tell you what is the logic in between. And if you have any doubt or any query, please comment out doubt inside the comment section. I'll surely resolve all your doubts. So let me start with the insert at the head. So what we have done, we have just created a node. In yesterday's class, I have taken everything in detail, that how the node is created and how it is pointed. So here we have created a node. So this is our node with the data and with the next pointer. Now it is just created, so we will be pointing towards the null. So what we have given now, what is this? The new nodes of next. Now these new nodes of next, whatever our array would be there, this was our linked list. This is a prior linked list. Now here what we have done, this next part it is given. Now this is the next part. I'll just take a black color. Okay, now this part points to the head. It has been given through the command, so pointed to the head. So yes, this is over. This is only what we wanted now. So we have created a node, we have just pointed the next pointer to the head, and we are done with our task. We have inserted at the beginning. Now what is insert at the end? Now this part basically involves a little logic, not too much, because basically it's very simple questions. So here what we are going to do. So this is our linked list. Now here we have created a node. Now I'll create the node. Now this is my node with the data and next in it pointing to the null. Now this is done. Now if my head is equal to null, if it is a edge case, if there is nothing inside the array, now whatever I am inserting would be the head only. So I'll just return the new head, because we are always return the head. Now this is our head. Now what happens, now we have to reach towards the last. Now I have always given you one tip, that never tamper the head. Now instead of tampering the head, we'll make a new variable that would be a temporary node, and in that we have stored our head. So this is head, and we have given a temporary name to temp. Now it will traverse through the array until and unless his next. Now this this node's next is a null pointer. So till this pointer it will become. Now this pointer we have reached to this. Now what they have told, now temp. Now this has become temp because we are constantly iterating to the temp, and we are moving to the next temp location. Now this temp next would be what? Temp equal to temp of next means that it will reach to this, and after reaching this, temp of next equal to new node. This is our new node and we will be pointing to it. Yes, we have pointed and automatically it's read. And what you have to return the head, because we have to return the original head only. This is the tail. We never return the tail. We return only head only. So this is the second. And the third part I'll cover in the next video, because it requires a slight logical part. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'm sure that it is slightly helpful for you. And in next part we'll complete all the insertion series. So thank you for being there. Thank you.